In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image from Behance in high quality. Behance is an immensely popular platform where artists and designers showcase their creative work. While you can enjoy viewing these masterpieces directly on the site, sometimes you might want a high-quality copy for your personal inspiration gallery. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you get the best possible image quality. First, you need to open your web browser and head over to the Behance website. If you've been browsing there already, you might have a specific project or image in mind. Make sure you're logged in if you have an account, as this might help if there are images restricted to registered users. Once you're on the home page, or if you already have your desired project, navigate to it directly. Now that you've found the project, you want to focus on selecting the specific image you wish to save. Projects on Behance often contain multiple images or sections, so scroll through the project and find the one you want. Take your time browsing through the details, as you want to ensure you have the right selection. When you've pinpointed the image, you should right-click on the image. In the menu that appears, you should look for and click on Open Image in New tab. This action allows the image to be displayed on its own in your browser, freeing it from any overlapping elements on the page, which could interfere with the quality of your saved image. With the image open in a new tab, glance at your browser's address bar to confirm the image URL is correct and ends with an image file extension, like .jpg or .png. This step is crucial to ensuring you have access to the full resolution version of the image. Sometimes, Behance might redirect you to a slightly lower resolution version if this is not checked. Next, perform a right-click on the image in this new tab. From the options that appear in the context menu, click Save Image As. This will open a dialog box prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you want the image to be saved. Choose your preferred location, and for better organized personal galleries, you might want to create a specific folder for Behance files. Give it a recognizable and meaningful name, something that, in the future, will remind you of either the project or the artist's work. Finally, click Save. The image will now download to your selected folder. To ensure everything worked smoothly, navigate to the folder and open the image to check its quality. Observe details such as sharpness and resolution to confirm that it meets your expectations. If it doesn't, you might need to repeat these steps, ensuring the image's URL ends with a direct file extension. There you have it, a high-quality Behance image saved directly to your device. Be sure to use these images responsibly, respecting the copyright and original creator's rights. Keep this guide handy for any future images you want to save. Happy browsing and stay inspired!